Hey everyone, welcome to my day 0 of the 90 days challenge. In this challenge, we are going to be discussing about what are my plans for the next 90 days and what projects I will be building and how I will stay consistent. The primary goal is to build good coding habits and land my first job as a front-end developer. So first of all, we will discuss about what will be my plan for the next 90 days. See, as I have already mentioned in my previous streams, that I want to start going through the learning paths and complete the challenges and learn the foundations and apply those foundations to those mini challenges. For example, I know that I haven't been able to stream any videos lately. My last stream was about 3 weeks ago, and how I have mentioned that I will stay consistent, but to be very honest, I was not that consistent and my health was not good enough. But I took a vow to code for the next 90 days, and the curriculum we will be following is the front-end mentors path. I'm already in the responsive design layouts module. We will be going through these modules in sequential orders as well as the challenges in here. For the next 90 days, we will be learning theory as well as building projects all in the stream itself. From tomorrow onwards, I will be streaming from 10 and 10:30 onwards. See, the thing is that I want to be consistent enough, and I don't want this to just to gain views or anything. This is my personal journey, and for staying consistent, I don't know if I will be able to do long streams like 3-4 hours or much longer. I don't know about that, but I want to stay consistent every day. So I will try to stream for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour every day, irrespective of the challenges I face daily. If I am unable to do the stream at the particular time, that is 10 a.m., if I am unable to do stream at 10 a.m., then I will do the stream in any part of the day. Any part of the day which is possible, which I will be available to do. Since the purpose of the next 90 days is to stay consistent, and before that we will be looking at what projects I will be building throughout the next 90 days. Although the projects may change, but this is somewhat similar. Let's look it. So from starting tomorrow, we will be building this product preview card component. Although I have completed some part of it, I will try to build the rest of the part in the live stream itself. Then we will move to the 4 card feature section and testimonials grid section. See, the thing is that in these two chapters I have in this chapter let me have a look. In this chapter I have learned about responsive design somewhat, and basic, I have grabbed some basic information in this chapter, responsive design fundamentals. And in the second chapter I learned about somewhat about responsive images. I have mostly understood how to do responsive images, and we will be learning with the picture element. See, I will show you a brief overview of how we will be learning. So we will be learning from the links that will be provided in this learning path. See, if I learn the picture element like this, I will try to explain what I have understood to you all, then also tell you what is the thing that we will be implementing in the project itself, and what is useful but not for now. So we will just focus on understanding as little as possible for the current scenario, that is what we will be applying to this project, that is the product preview card component. We will only focus on the implementation part and as well as understanding it. If possible, I will go in depth, like going through each method. Suppose I will give you example. See, in our project, in this project, we do not have any other format than JPEG. So we will be not worrying about this section, that is image formats. See, we will not be worrying about this section, image formats, but we will be focusing on just the image sizes and all. Okay, this all may not make sense to you now, but we will go through it in depth tomorrow. And after that we will be working on this section, means after this project we will be working on this chapter. Building flexible layouts, then this one I will build live, then this, then we will be learning about cross browser and cross device testing and how to do it, what are the best practices and all. See, each link has constitutes links to other pages. So we will be looking and going through each resource that is given there. Then at last finally we will be building this project while applying whatever we have understood here in this project. We will be only applying that, and also we will try to apply what we have learned before if possible. But the main purpose of these challenges is not to make it to perfection, because these are not our portfolio projects. These are the projects that they are just for understanding purpose. See, if I implement the cross browser and cross device testing in this challenge, then I will understand this concept in more depth, and I want to stay I want to apply only that concept to this problem and not anything else to this challenge. By doing this, we will be able to move through uh, the sections pretty quickly. See, we have a lot of, in total, in the front-end mentor path, we have around 38 projects in total, combining the easy ones which are easy ones and hard ones. We want to work on, see this here, as you can see. Okay, I will show you this challenges section. It will help you to understand the difficulty level of the challenges that we will be facing. See, we have 5 different levels of challenges. Say newbie is, as you can see, newbie is the easiest one, and after that junior is a little bit challenging than the newbie, and intermediate is more challenging than the junior, and advanced is more challenging than the intermediate, and guru is the most challenging of all of them. So the thing is, since you have understood the challenges, means the project levels, and how in the front-end mentor, how the projects are divided based on it. So see, here we mostly have newbie challenges. That's why we will be learning building those projects only to apply the previous concept that we have learned. That is the building flexible layouts. We will apply only those concepts in these 2 projects, and we will be applying this concept this concept in this challenge. Like this, we will be going through the JavaScript fundamentals. Here, see, as you can see, the first concept is we have the fundamentals part and the DOM part, handling user events. See, whatever we have learned it before, here whatever we have learned here in this section and in this section, in this chapter, we will be applying it to this project, mini newbie project. We will not be doing anything else in here. And see, here we have a concept called managing forms with JavaScript. After learning about this concept, we will be applying the concept directly into this challenge. So the path, it is a clear path. So it is designed in such a way that after learning the forms, we are applying the concepts that we have learned in there, and directly a challenge which will help you to understand about forms better. Like see what the description says about this challenge. This will test your skills with basic form structure, validation and submission. The success state will also be an excellent opportunity to work with DOM manipulation. See, it is also working with the DOM manipulation, and we have learned about the DOM manipulation in here. We have learned about it, the concept, in this chapter. So the challenges that we have got here, uh, it for doing it well, for doing the challenge well, we have to learn the previous concepts and apply those concepts in here. Otherwise these small challenges are meaningless, because because they are not that great in difficulty. They are not that complex enough. It can become complex only if, when we are learning new concepts and applying it here. Means if we want, we can build the just the UI part of it, but it will not be worth it. We have to apply whatever we have learned here, not more than that. Not applying more what we have learned here. We are going to only apply that concept only. In the next working with data, we will learn this concept in this chapter. Then we will be applying that concept in this challenge, time tracking dashboard. If you want, I can go through this challenge. Means what does the description says and all, but I don't want to go through it now. I want to go it in a serial wise. I mean to say that we can look at the individual challenges and we can pick the individual challenges in the challenges section, but we are not going to do that. Since we are following the learning paths, and after learning a lot of fundamentals only, we will move to the challenges section and look at like advanced challenges and all. After learning the fundamentals like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, I want to say that not only learning the fundamentals, but the essentials in those fundamentals, like in the CSS there are a lot of things, as I mentioned, like typography, images, how to optimize them, how to optimize them for speed or end performance, and how we can improve the accessibility, how can we write good code and all. Okay, so I am moving ahead of myself. Let's go to the section. So after the JavaScript fundamentals, so where we were in this fundamentals, okay, understanding about how to work with data, we will apply it here. Then we will move to this chapter, then we will move to this challenge. Then we have got to the next level of challenge, that is intermediate. Here we were in the junior challenge, here we are in the intermediate challenge. This will be more tough, so we will be working on this intermediate challenge. Then the front end quiz app. So since whatever we have all learned till now, we will be applying those in these 3 challenges. By doing this, the learnings will be very strong. We will be able to better explain the concepts in the interviews. See, after the JavaScript fundamental section, we have the introduction to web accessibility section. Here we will be working, after we go through all these chapters, we will be working on this interactive rating challenge. See, after learning a new concept, we are not working on directly a difficult challenge because it is di- it is a tough task to means implement the things we have learned, and also the how to build the challenge. I mean to say, we have to apply these things that we have learned in these chapters. We have to apply the new things, and on top of applying the new things, if we are given a challenge uh, that is of intermediate level or more, then we will be stuck on that challenge for a very long period, which will eventually kill our momentum in which we can progress. So newbie challenges are there after ending of the concepts, after ending of the chapter, which includes concept, some kind of new concept introduced, is to better implement it right away, so learning will be better. See, here we are learning about testing and evaluating the web accessibility, and we are implementing the same in this challenge, FAQ accordion. See, after learning this challenge, means learning this concept, building accessible forms, we will be directly working on a form, contact form. Like that, after working about area basics, we will be working on this challenge, on news homepage challenge, then the e-commerce product page, like this. See, I was telling about CSS. CSS, it's not just about CSS has a lot of depth. Like it's not just like media using media queries and all media queries, but it also has like what are the best practices, techniques for testing and debugging CSS, and what are all the CSS methodologies out there, and what are all the architectures out there, and we will be understanding about the CSS preprocessors, and we will going through the CSS animation transitions in here. See, there are a lot of concepts to learn here, and we will be applying to these challenges here. See, as you can go through. So we will working on this Loop Studios landing page. Then after learning the animation and transition, we will be going into the Room homepage. And after learning about the CSS frameworks, we will be implementing it into the bookmark landing page. After learning about the performance optimization, we will be implementing in this space tourism multi-page website, as well as this Galleria slideshow site. And finally, see, we have got to an advanced level challenge. This is what I was talking about. Since I also want to build a portfolio, I want to include some projects which can make my portfolio strong. I mean, stand out from the crowd. So adding this challenge will will be a step towards making my portfolio strong and proving my development skills. It is a starting point, since we are going to this project will not be easy, because there are many difficult tricky things here. As you can see in the description, it can include some tricky challenges, including building a circular progress bar. We will be learning how to build it, and we will also build a lot of customization like colors and fonts. And also, while building it, we will try to make this project as customized as possible, based on the means see, as I was talking about the previous challenge in here, while building this will be a step towards making our portfolio strong. As soon as I build it, I will try to add it to my portfolio, or otherwise also I will gain more confidence. Okay, let's move on to the next section, which is the JavaScript frameworks and libraries. See, since I know that JavaScript frameworks and libraries, I have to learn about React. So I will be going through this section, but I will be learning React from a different place, because there are many good React tutorials in the YouTube, and I will learn from there, and I will try to implement from those videos. In these projects also, I will go through these articles. Otherwise, if these articles are locked, I may not be able to unlock this challenge, like this result summary component. I will not be able to unlock it. While learning about the state management, I will try to work on this challenge, product list with cart. While working with forms in the React, I will work on this challenge. While working with the routing part, I will work on these challenges. See, after learning most about React, I will be working on these challenges. These are all advanced. This can be a portfolio part, but not all advanced challenges need to be in the portfolio, because portfolio is all about making a project that is difficult to build. I know these are advanced projects, they are categorized as advanced, but I don't think so that this project will be worth putting in the portfolio section. This memory game, I think we can put it there depending upon the situation. And definitely this entertainment web app we can put here, because it has some very interesting things, like this project showcases like if you have the knowledge to work with the JSON data, and you can handle the routing and the state management and search functionality. So this project tests testing all these concepts, so it will be good to put in the portfolio. This project also we can put in the portfolio. As I have mentioned, the Pomodoro app also we can put it in the portfolio. Okay, let's go to the next section. This will be our last section, which is the introduction to front-end testing. In last year we will learn about the testing part. We will not be going through its concept. If you want to check the learning path, you can go to the frontendmentor.io and you can check the learning path yourself. But see, if you want to go through these challenges with me, you have to have the premium version of the front-end mentor. Otherwise, some of the challenges will be locked to you, which you can only access if you have the premium. Like this challenge, if you only have the premium subscription, then you can access this challenge. Okay, see, while going through this section, we will be working on our last big portfolio project. Portfolio project. Okay, let's see what the portfolio project will be. That will be featured on top of my portfolio and my resume. See, the portfolio that I will be featuring on top of my resume is this note-taking web app. I will be building this challenge because it's complex and it also has a lot of features. Like see, as you can see here we see the user stories here. Like the user can create, read, update and delete the notes. They can archive the notes, view all the notes, view all archive notes, view notes with specific tags. You search notes by title, tag and content. Select their color theme, select their font theme. See, we can select I don't know what these features are about, but it seems to me that building this project will take some effort, consistent effort. See, we have to navigate the whole app and perform all the actions using only the keyboard, right? We have to also enable the accessibility. We will be implementing everything that we have learned till now in this project. So this will be our main project that the recruiters will see. So we will take our time to build this project. While building this project, we will also try to learn about the backend and about the database and about the authentication part. We will be try to learn it and implement quickly, because we don't want to dive deep into the backend part, because my sole focus is to land a front-end developer job. But it does not mean that I do not have to learn about backend. I have to learn about backend enough so that I can at least complete this bonus challenges, means bonus parts. These are the bonus, these are not the requirements. If you build them, they are like extra points. to your project. So there are ideas to test yourself, like add a WYSIW. Sorry, I don't know what is it called, but I think so. It's like we can change the font size of our text in our notes. So this will be our major project, which will showcase our skills and make our portfolio very strong, and we will implement everything that we have learned till now. We will take our time, and we will try to complete this project within the 90 days time frame that we have given. So it will be challenging, so that's why I have to stay consistent, and I will try to stay consistent as much as possible. So starting from tomorrow, there will be streams every day at 10 a.m. onwards. I cannot guarantee that how much time the stream will be, like it can be like for 30 to 1 hour, or it can be 2 hours, or the streams can go up to 3-4 hours. I don't know about it, but the thing I can confirm you is that I will be consistent every day, and if I miss a day, means if I miss my timing, like I'm unable to stream like at 10 a.m. or anywhere near that time, I will try to upload any time of the day. I will find the time to stream, because there can be some emergencies, unexpected emergencies come, so it might not be possible to upload. But rest assured, I will try to complete this 90 days and 90 days challenges that I have taken, and I promise you that I will go through this 90 days challenge. If you are with me, you can join in this challenge, but the thing is that you should have at least the premium subscription. You should have at least, if you want to follow along, or otherwise also it's not a problem. We will be learning about the concepts, and also there are many free challenges here on this platform. You can, while I go through my journey, you can build this challenges which are free. You can go through them while I am doing those challenges in the learning path. So that's it. In this stream, I will be starting my first day of the 90 days challenge from tomorrow onwards. So good night. Let's meet tomorrow. Thank you.